Hello. Hello. In this tutorial, I teach you how to make a new folder in Windows 10 in 2022. Here I have prepared a new folder for me to teach you how to make a new folder, and so in this folder, in the folder, in the folder you right click on mouse. So in mouse you right click, go new and folder. Here you name it whatever, and there you have your new folder. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to favorite and send to your friends. Thank you for watching, and yeah, thank you for yeah.